Stop fiddling with your phone. Let's fix Apple CarPlay in your Chrysler Pacifica, fast. No tech skills needed, just follow along. Ready? Let's dive in. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS update. Sometimes a quick software refresh does the trick. Next, check your USB cable. Apple CarPlay is picky. Use an original Apple cable and plug it into the main USB port, usually in the center console. Still not working? On your Pacifica's screen, tap Settings, then Phone, Bluetooth. Remove your iPhone from the list of paired devices. On your iPhone, forget the car from Bluetooth settings too. Now, restart both your phone and the car. Plug your iPhone back in. When prompted, hit Enable on the Pacifica's screen. If you see the CarPlay logo, you're all set. If not, go to your iPhone's settings, tap Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure CarPlay is allowed. As a last resort, reset your Pacifica's Uconnect system by holding the volume and tuner knobs until the screen goes black. Give it a minute to reboot, then try again. CarPlay still stubborn? Time to visit your dealer. They can check for deeper software issues. That's it. Quick fixes for Apple CarPlay and your Chrysler Pacifica. Stay connected and drive safe.